Right, more breaking updates now coming in. The Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi has taken note of the incident and has strongly condemned the incident, describing it as painful and shocking. He urged the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to ensure strict action against the accused. The Chief Minister has also directed senior officials to coordinate with the West Bengal government and assure the survivors' family of all possible support. So, Ridhita, the Chief Minister of Odisha also dialing the Chief Minister of West Bengal as well as the father of the victim in the case. What are the details?
Absolutely, you see that already communication between the higher officials of the states have taken place, where yesterday IPS Pinak Mishra has also communicated with the IPS out here as we confirm that the law and order IPS police Shamim is also taking an account of this, where under the Durgapur News City there are investigation probes as the latest information that flows in that drones are used for supervision and searches that are being made. Phone has been used, the mobile phone tracker has been used as a second source, and also as Chief Minister of Orissa writes to the Chief Minister in West Bengal, the parents have also come into account and they have been spoken to. The Minister of West Bengal, Shashi Panja, has also communicated that the parents are assured of the investigation process which is going on, and within the time, within less of 12 hours, only arrests have been made and assurance have been proved to them. At this moment, their daughter is also keeping well. She is eating but not in a correct state to speak. Also, as we get to understand on the medical assessments factor, that the samples have been collected and has also been taken out for examination. Today only, as the assumption suspect that they will be produced in the court, and also as we get to understand, the police department is also going to hold a press conference and sometimes from now to have a more clarified image of the arrest.
So let's wait for the official word on that. 3 arrests have been made already and they will also be produced before the court today. More details awaited. Do stay with us. Tension in fact gripped Durgapur after the second-year medical student alleged that she was raped near the private medical college. The victim is from Odisha, was attacked in a deserted area which was right behind the hospital. The police officials have also questioned several people and taken their statements as well. The victim's parents have also spoken up, demanding swift justice.
हम चाहते हैं कि मेरा जैसा लड़की सफर होता है दूसरा लड़की जैसा सफर में होगी। यहाँ से सिक्योरिटी भी स्ट्रांग नहीं है, उसका कुछ भी यहाँ से ठीक नहीं है, बच्ची यहाँ से सुरक्षित भी नहीं है। हम लोग बहुत परेशान हैं। उड़ीसा में आया था, बहुत आसान लगे यहाँ से। मेरा बेटी को स्वप्न था डॉक्टर बनेगा।
वो रात को तो खाने के लिए निकला था ना, वो लड़का बोला कि तो उसका दोस्त बोला कि वो खाने के लिए चलो बाहर जाएंगे, तो वो लड़की आए थे खाने के लिए, तो वो लड़का बोला कि चलो थोड़ा गेट के बाहर घूमने चलेंगे। मेरा लड़की बोला कि नहीं घूमने नहीं चलेंगे, खाना खा के चले जाएंगे। वो लड़का बोला कि थोड़ा घूमने चलेंगे, तो घूमने गए थे बाहर, गेट के बाहर। वो लड़का 3 लोग को आके पीछा किया, तो वो लड़का जो साथ ले गया था वो जंगल की तरफ भागा, तो मेरा लड़की भी इसके पीछे भागा। वो लड़का गायब हो गया, कहाँ छुप गया। मेरा लड़की को अकेला देखे वो 3 लोग ले गए और 2 लोग आ गए, जंगल में ले गए। और एक लोग उसके साथ गंदा काम किया और उसका मोबाइल छीन गया। बोला कि सुबह 3000 रुपया देगा तो मोबाइल दूंगा, नहीं तो नहीं दूंगा, और चिल्लाएंगे तो मार दूंगा जान से।
And well, the news of the alleged rape has also sparked a political storm in West Bengal, with the TMC leader and State Minister Shashi Panja saying that crimes against women must not be politicized. But the West Bengal leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, has questioned why Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee appears to be absent in addressing the case. In fact, the BJP leader Agnimitra Paul also added that there has been a lack of control in the state since the TMC came to power.
सबका माने क्या बोले, कंट्रोल नहीं है। पश्चिम बंगाल में कोई भी लड़की को देखे उसके ऊपर उसको पकड़ के धर्षण कर लो, खाना लेने गई थी, ये स्टूडेंट खाना लेने गई थी, उसको गैंग रेप कर दिया। और अभी टीएमसी का नेता लोग बोल रहे सब होगा, ये बहुत शर्मिंदगी की बात है, हम लोग इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे। क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुआ है? 14.5 साल आप लोग क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन किए हैं? करोड़ों रुपया खर्चा करके आप लोग माँ दुर्गा, माँ काली, माँ जगद्धात्री का पूजा करते हैं टीएमसी लीडर्स, और असल में हम लोग जो माँ दुर्गा, माँ काली है बंगाल के, वहां हम लोग रोज धर्षित होते हैं।
BJP is a political party, and this crime, such crimes against women, they should not be politicized. Unfortunately, BJP always views such incidents through a political lens, which is most unwarranted. We have to wait for the investigation to be completed, and BJP should not politicize or try to take a political advantage out